Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. So today's video is going to, is your iMac not turning on, showing no display, or randomly shutting down? In this video, I'll explain all the logic board LED indicators inside the iMac 27-inch 2013 to 2019 model and how to diagnose hardware problems step by step. Apple added diagnostic LEDs on the logic board to help technicians quickly identify hardware issues like power supply failure, GPU problems, RAM issues, or display faults. LED 1, standby power. LED 2, logic board power. LED 3, GPU, video signal. LED 4, LCD communication. LED 1 indicates standby power from the power supply. Scenarios: LED 1 on, power supply receiving, AC power LED 1 off, faulty power cable, bad power supply, blown fuse, AC input issue. Host: if LED 1 is off, start by checking the power supply first. LED 2 turns on when the logic board powers up. Scenarios: LED 2 on, logic board receiving correct voltage, LED 2 off, bad logic board power button issue. Faulty power rails. Host: if LED 1 works but LED 2 stays off, the motherboard may be defective. LED 3 relates to GPU and video signal communication. Problems if off: failed GPU, corrupted graphics, chip video circuitry issue. Symptoms: black screen, no image. Boot chime but no display. LED 4 indicates communication between the logic board and LCD panel. Problems if off: faulty display cable, damaged LCD panel, display power issue. Host: if LED 4 is off but LED 3 works, check the display connections carefully. I hope this diagnostic guide helped you troubleshoot your iMac 27-inch 2013 to 2019. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more Mac repair tutorials.